Let's think of AI like a hammer, super powerful and able to do a lot of heavy lifting. But here's the catch. Not every problem is a nail. Sometimes what you really need is a screwdriver or a wrench, just something simpler. It's easy to get caught up in the AI hype, especially when you hear so much about it transforming industries, but the truth is many data problems can be solved without AI. Better data organization, simpler algorithms, or even just taking the time to fully understand the issue, these can work wonders too. Don't get me wrong, AI is amazing, but it's important to recognize that AI isn't always the right tool for the job, and actually trying to force AI into every data strategy can slow you down. Kind of like using that hammer on everything, it just doesn't work. So what's the first step to solving any data problem? Framing it correctly. Like Charles Kettering, the famous inventor, once said, "A problem well stated is a problem half solved." If you don't clearly define what you're trying to solve, even the most advanced AI models are going to fall short. And fun fact, according to a 2020 Gartner report, 85% of AI projects fail because of things like poor data quality and a lack of clear use cases. So the lesson here is pretty straightforward. Get the basics right before adding complexity. Now let's talk about traditional solutions. Sometimes the simple stuff works best. Take regression analysis, for example. It's a basic statistical tool, but companies have used it for decades to make forecasts and spot trends. No AI required. And guess what? It often works beautifully. As Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, once said, "Artificial intelligence is best when it amplifies human strengths, not replaces them." So yeah, AI can help, but only if you already have strong data foundations in place. Here's the deal. AI should be a complement to your data strategy, not the whole thing. You wouldn't start building a house with the roof, right? You'd begin with a solid foundation. And when it comes to data, that means understanding your data landscape, ensuring quality and picking the right tools for the job. Tom Davenport, a leading data strategist, said it best. Companies that succeed with AI will have strong data foundations and clear business strategies. That's key. If you don't lay the groundwork, you're just using advanced tools to solve a problem that might only need a simple fix. You don't need AI for everything, and that's where Lattice comes in. In this gold rush of AI, where everyone's looking for the next breakthrough, it's critical to have the right data infrastructure in place. Lattice helps companies build that foundation, ensuring access to high-quality, trusted data. Whether you need traditional analytics or AI-powered insights, down the road, Lattice makes sure your data strategy is strong enough to support whatever tools you choose to use. So what's the takeaway? Don't use a hammer when you really need a screwdriver. AI is powerful, yes, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Companies that focus on building a solid data foundation, understanding their problems and applying the right tools, are the ones that will be successful in the long run. So before you dive headfirst into an AI project, ask yourself, is this really the right tool for the job? With the right strategy, you'll know when it's time to pick up that AI hammer and when it's better to reach for something simpler. Zero code needed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more data insights or go to www.datatiles.com/lattice to learn more. We welcome you to join us in the data conversation.